Hey, what's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Do you use a PS5 controller with back paddles? If so, do you miss being able to charge your controller wirelessly? Well, if you do, ExtremeRate has developed a new simple mod called the RISE DOCK Kit Extension Stand made for the PS5 DualSense Charge Station. Let me show you how you put this together. Yes, so here we are with the PS5 controller. This has back paddles. It's a PS5 charge station. And with the back paddles, no matter what you do, this controller will now allow you to fit in there because the paddle's in the way, so it doesn't charge. So that's where the extension kit from ExtremeRate comes in. So how you put this together? First piece that you want to grab is this piece, and you want to put your pins in exactly like this. So make sure they're just like that and they're flush all the way to the top. Next, there's going to be another piece in the package you want to grab this piece right here. And this will go on top just like that and snap it together. Should look like this. And then it should be flush inside the design. So where you're all the way down. Next, you're going to want to grab this piece here. And you're going to want to, the little insert in here, insert this. And you insert it in just like that. This is what it should look like as you get it in. You just got to simply connect it to this. See how this one has inner grooves? These have to connect into here, and you line up your holes so it will stay in place. Yes, once you get it in there, it'll look something like that. There's some little latches right here. Bottom, make sure you push it in there and then you'll hear it snap in place. This on the PS5 charge station, you should be able to see the light pop on and charge your controller. So now you're able to charge your PS5 controller with back paddles wirelessly. So there you go. Little simple easy mod from ExtremeRate. Takes less than 5 minutes. The RISE DOCK Kit Extension Stand for the PS5 DualSense Charge Station really works. So now you can keep your controllers with back paddles charged up and be able to charge them wirelessly. So if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. But yeah, the mod is really simple. Takes 5 minutes just to put together. If you don't got one, I'll leave a link down to the description box down below. Use code CraytonTv to save yourself 10% at checkout. And also I'll leave a little Amazon affiliated link down there in the link description box down below. If you do use my links, they do help me and help out the channel. So go ahead and use my links. I did hope you enjoyed this video. Little simple easy mod. Go out there and get gaming. Stay tuned this weekend, this Saturday, right here, January 14th. I am going live on YouTube. I will be giving away this PS5 controller. So if you haven't seen that video, go check out that video card link right here and at the end of this video. And you can see how I put this all together. It's a full custom controller, LED lights, custom triggers, back paddles. Did the whole swap. This controller used to be the Novel pink one. So now you can see the color of it. So if you want to check out that video, it will be at the end of this video. Go watch that video, and I'll leave it down in the description box down below. So check out this video. Also, we'll be giving away, here's a wireless speaker and a water resistant another speaker. So come tune in this Saturday. I will be live on YouTube at 1 o'clock. First time ever going live on YouTube. And see who's be the lucky winner to win one of these awesome prizes. First place winner will get the controller. Second place winner will get the RGB speaker. Third place, you will get the other speaker. But hey, Happy New Year's. God bless everybody. It's your boy Brandon coming to you from CraytonTv. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Peace.